Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock. So let's take a look at the positions that I have on it, and I'll provide an update on this as well. And then we'll go into, can this continue to fall, or today's green candle, is it telling us something that some more rebound is coming to the upside, or is it going to become bullish? We'll talk about all of that as for what the price action is telling us in this video. And as I said, I'll take you over my play as well, that I have it on the short side. But so before going further, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. So I'm just sharing here my opinion. Also, if you're interested in checking out some of the stocks that I have done this morning, Nvidia, Mara, some of the plays that we have been talking about these, so check these out as well on my channel. Videos are over here. Tesla video I'll be doing later today once the whole guidance call, the earnings call, everything has happened. So yeah, that video will be coming out later as well on Tesla. So all right guys, with SMCI, so today what are we seeing is a bit of a bounce, and at least on the daily interval I would say, guys, that's fine. It's just a continuation of the rebound in the already set the downtrend. We are in the lower highs, lower lows. SMCI has also formed this head and shoulders, so, and then we rejected at a lower high as well, and then we are falling. Now I'm in this play already, and I have taken some profits at the significant level 691. The remaining position, yes, I am still carrying, and that is all the way down. I'm trying to get the 200 days moving average, so that would become more likely as if we continue to break below 693. Now what I'm expecting is that, yeah, any rebound, guys, even if it comes to 855, that's just a rebound in the downtrend. SMCI, in my opinion, is not bullish, at least not on the swing side. On the swing side, its direction is still to the downside. On intraday, yes, it can be traded as for bullish side as well. So let's go to the hourly interval. So you're already aware about how I took this position on the short side. That was due to once I got the confirmation that we broke the structure back again below $946 level. We broke below 200 hours moving average. We broke below the trend line as well, right? And that has been plummeting, giving us that downside. So I entered that play. My position was opened around $902, and then you already know I took at my significant levels that I like to take some profits out. So 691, I took some profits out there. So as I said, I'm not gonna be on the bullish camp on this as long as it's below 855 or so forth, area around that. And we still have this bigger trend line still coming down, so I can extend it out as well, just so you have more idea of where it's going. But yeah, as long as we are still below it, it's not bullish. Yeah, these rebounds may come, and for intraday, the confirmation of that rebound was right above this level 740. A little bit of a breakout structure we had, at least as I said, on the rebound side, but that's just an intraday play for now. It's not a bullish play. This intraday play to the upside can continue as if SMCI continues to hold 740 and it doesn't break below it. Yes, it can also go up to 810 and a little bit higher, as I'm saying that, right? 824, 855, that's fine. It's just a rebound though. But yes, on the intraday time frame, these can be traded as intraday long plays. All in all though, swing side, it's I expect then 824 to give it a shot again. And again, guys, not sure how high it will go. Anytime if it breaks the structure again to the downside, it's again game to the downside. Let's go to the 4 hours interval. Actually, that's where in the price action things will look much more clear, because we'll have a lot more real estate to talk here and watch. So this is where you can see the pivot around $810, right? And so we almost were very close to it today, almost hit $800. So yeah, this rebound can continue up till there, and then you have to see if we see the weakness again and we continue lower. But what are we seeing so far is lower highs and lower lows, right? So this will be just a lower high as long as it's still below $855, that's significant level. So accordingly, positions can be taken with the stop loss on the other side. If you are planning to go in the rebound short, then as close as 855 is fine on the short side with the stop loss on the other side. And yeah, you already know I took this, I'm still in the profit. It's just that I'm going to size out. If tomorrow also we start to go up, I'm going to size out a little bit more. It's because I'm just managing my position here now. And yeah, the break below 693 is what the flush I'm looking for on this. That can bring us down to that level of what do we call 200 days moving average, right? So that's something is still in my play book, and I'm still looking forward to that. And but as you know, nothing is guaranteed in the stock market. That's why sizing and sizing out is what of the position I do, and I take my stop losses as well where I have them. So all right. Yeah, so we do have a green candle, but we do have a sell-off pressure as well on it. So I won't be becoming bullish based off of just this green candle because the structure is still bearish. Structure is not changing. And yeah, I know that trend line that I have on the hourly interval that's not showing up on the daily. I think I should change this to show up on daily as well now because this is an important trend line that needs to be on the daily as well. So let's go there and wait, what? Maybe I didn't click on the right stuff. Here we go. All right, visibility days. And let's go back to the daily interval. Yep, so you can see this is the trend line that I'm more focusing on. And so yeah, any rebound until there is fine with me. So anyways. All right, guys, that's with SMCI. Yeah, that's the update on my play and the positions and the sentiment, how things are looking like. I'll do other videos, AMD, NVIDIA. We are seeing some rebounds on these. Today, you can see we are seeing some rebound on NVIDIA. I'll suggest check out my morning video right here on my channel. This will tell you a lot about NVIDIA. I'll talk more NVIDIA later when the market has closed as well. A little bit of, this rebound is coming, but is it making it bullish? Check out that video. AMD, I'll do another video, but a little bit of rebound coming. But as I said, I'll do another video and we'll see if the structure is changing. But as you know, I have been taking partial profits out. So all great. Similarly, guys, all these stocks are showing some rebound. ARM is still very weak. It's trying to do a rebound, but very weak rebound. This thing has flushed. Broadcom's doing some rebound, but I'll talk about it in another video. It's still on my downside camp. And SMCI just did that. SoundHound. Guys, okay, I'll be doing another video on this. Junior trader, is it becoming bullish again? Is it going to go another leg up? I'll talk about it in another video today. I'll do a coverage on this as well. And here we have Micron. So yeah, Micron, I do have an update, but I'll talk about it in another video. But yeah, I'm sizing out my position in profits here as well. But so yeah, you can see across semiconductors, a lot of profitable moves we have taken here. Anyways, guys, this video was specifically just for SMCI. Just wanted to cover that. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.